said, the announcements that need to be made on our part, we are doing. A lot of.
अभी सत्यमेव जयते का पिछला एपिसोड टीवी पेशेंट्स पे था, सुना आपकी बहुत प्रभावित रही। उन पेशेंट्स के लिए आपने भी बहुत अलग-अलग माध्यम से आप इसके लिए बात करते रहे, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I'm sorry, I haven't got the episodes. I'm very supportive and appreciative of all the good work that is being done. But in terms of charity work going on, I mean, so many organizations have my support. और इन बातों के बारे में मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि मैं बातें कम काम ज़्यादा में मानती हूँ, और आप लोग तो पहचानती है जब हम काम करते हैं, और जब भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस चाहते हैं कि हम पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पर आकर खुद उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ कंधे से कंधे मिलाकर उन्हें और उनकी आवाज़ को और बढ़ावा दें, तब हम आपके सामने से खड़े होते हैं। नहीं तो हमारा काम तो जारी है ही, लेकिन when the organizations believe that yes, it's time to give it a larger volume with the help of members of the media, then we indulge.
इस बर्थडे पे आप, क्योंकि आप बहुत सारे कॉजेज से जुड़े हैं जिससे महिलाएं जुड़ी होती हैं, जिनका ऐड आपके करती रही हैं, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स रही हैं, तो कुछ जो इस बार आपके जिसके पर आप काम करना चाहेंगे?
You'll be hearing on it during this month. During this month, you'll hear on it. I won't speak about it.
Are you also doing a lot of action in Jazba, and can we see you finally doing some nice song and dancing in the film?
आपने तो सारी ingredients बोल दिए. Everything that makes for a Hindi film. So God willing, there is opportunity, but it's important for us to stay also true to narratives of the films we're doing. During the course of the year, in the mix of the work that I'm doing, you'll get to see all the ingredients of Hindi cinema and the kind of work I have done. But it may not all be in one film, they'll all be in a couple of movies.
With Rohit Shetty opposite Shah Rukh Khan, is there something at the pipeline?
Like I said, I don't think it will be prudent for me to make any announcements without the team. It won't be prudent for me to make any announcements.
Kakkar had announced a film with you and Sushmita in the lead. Is it happening?
I thought it was me and Abhishek.
No, you and Sushmita.
Wasn't it called Happy Anniversary? Like I said, the announcements that need to be made on our part, we are doing. A lot of films and scripts we have run through, but the ones that are okayed will be announced as a team together. So don't jump the gun.
Sorry, लेकिन आप महादेव के access
I'm trying, but it's kind of fake, and I'm not fake.
Also, a lot of flowers and tulips are named after you. Don't you think it's high time that we name a wine after you, because you're just getting better with the age?
Oh my God. So I don't think there's a question there.
But do you think?
Do you own a vineyard?
आपके साथ में बहुत पहले से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर शूटिंग आ रही है। अब जब हैप्पी न्यू ईयर रिलीज होगी, आज आपके लिए हैप्पी न्यू ईयर है। अब इस नए हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आप अपने फैंस से क्या कहना चाहेंगे? वो कितने हैप्पी हो कि ऐश्वर्या आप पर्दे पर हैं?
जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये साल मेरे लिए एक और I've always worked in cinema, and I really don't even feel the time out I have taken, because I have been, albeit in advertising, I have been in studios, I've been facing cameras, but yes, I'm very, very excited to be telling a story on celluloid with a director. This year is going to be a lot of work for me, and for me, personal and professional is always going to be intertwined. So it's going to be a lot of work for me personally and professionally. So definitely a very, very busy year ahead. And I thank you all for just being so wonderful and really not having made me at any point in time feel that probably, I've just not felt that there's ever been any time out or a break at all. So thank you all for all your love and support and enthusiasm. And I will work hard to give my best to whatever I take on, as I always have. And I hope it entertains you all and keeps you all happy. The efforts will be sincere and earnest as always.
What is the best birthday gift that I've got today? Because we heard that Abhishek has got something very special for you.
Acha, has he been sitting and having little tete-a-tetes with you all? Well, Gifts and things are not something that we ever talk about, and that has never defined our relationship either. So that's something you have heard every year, and that remains consistent in our relationship. But at the risk of sounding like I'm stuck on a groove, but I think every little aspect of Aradhya's surprises is a pleasure for me, and I'm always going to be blissed out on that. I think every time you'll talk to me.
Ashwarya,
Okay.
when can we have you in any social networking site and the fans can probably directly talk to you? Probably like your own Twitter handle or something like that.
Suggestions taken will be seriously considered.